Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are back again with another tutorial with the Megascan, how to get them all. Yeah, Megascan assets are free till now, and it's going to move to Fab. Here you can see there is something changes that if you have previously acquired Megascan, you will get able to access them from Quixel.com and breach for the foreseeable future. And if you don't have them, or you need to pay the price like $20 to $30 or $40 per asset per gallery, something like that. So yeah, and this will be gone forever. So but it has a solution. Let me show you. There is a lot of asset. I know, like 18,876. You can't acquire like one by one. It's so boring and it's so time consuming, and I know we can do that, but there is a fix to do that. You can get all those assets within few clicks, not one by one. Today I'm going to show you that how you can acquire all of them in your account for future purpose. Let's see. There is a script. I'll give you this link, GitHub link, in the description. You need to go to this link, and first of all you need to log into Quixel. You can log in with your email address, I think. Yeah, so just log in with your Epic account and email address, and yeah, you can see that I have already logged in. And if you haven't open any Epic account or Quixel account, please open new one, and it's absolutely free still now. After that, go to this link, the second link. This is the collection, all the collection in one page like that. Here already I have owned. Let me show you that. Here you can see I have already owned 18,907 assets. Yeah, so I've already owned them all. And how I can do that? First of all, scroll down. Here you can see a script, and you need to open in a new tab. Then you can select all the script, Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy, or just copy. Ctrl A and Ctrl C. Okay, after that, go to this Megascan collections and click F12. After clicking F12, here you can see this dev item, and go to console, and here you need to paste the code. You can paste any code in 2024 because dev doesn't allow you to that, for like you can hack or you can mess up the Google Chrome with that. So you need to just typing allow pasting. I've already done that, so we are not going to do it again. And this you need to not pasting, just write it down, allow pasting, and click enter, and it will allow you to paste the code. After that, just right click on it and paste it. Here you can see I have already purchased all the asset here, but for tutorial purpose, just I'm gonna click enter. Here I'm just click enter. It will searching that any pages have any missing item. Like I have already owned them all, so yeah, we don't need to own anything. Just he's searching page 1, page 2, page 3. It will like searching for 19 pages. Each page has almost 1000 assets, and it will automatically get the asset for you. If you got stuck or get like 503 error or 403 error, don't panic. Just close this one and refresh it within 5 minutes. Just refresh the page and again do that again with this code. Let me show you. If you got stuck or like 503 error or just stuck, then here after pasting the code, here 0, then just delete it, and here select like you got stuck from page 5 or page 6, then select 5 and scroll down and just enter. So that's it guys, that's the video. If you have any problem or any issue, also let me know in the comment section. I'll get to you as soon as possible. Until next video, goodbye.